Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Sacred Space Crate for January 2022. Oh my god, it was hard to say that. So, the theme is Book of Shadows. We'll look at this last. This is the January lunar calendar with information on the back. Book of Shadows blessing for you to color. So that's cool. We'll set that over here a bit. Let's open up. Your words are magic. Use them wisely. We've got some frankincense incense sticks. They smell yummy. Yum, yum, yum. We've got, looks like Palo Santo with a bay leaf. Smells good. We've got herb here, I think. Let us see what we have. Buckthorn Bark. So we'll read a bit about that. Caffeine-free cinnamon apricot tea. Looks lovely. Sacred salve, frankincense and myrrh. Antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and anti-aging. Ooh la la. What we got here? Got a little bag. Oh, it's got a worry stone in it. Maybe tiger's eye. I've got something here. Let me cut it open. Hi. A little candle with Palo Santo on the bottom. Yum. I mean, it smells like Palo Santo on the bottom. Ay, what the heck? Okay. Alright, I think I got all the items except for the main item, which is a giant Book of Shadows. Amazing. Very nice. I love it. Let's open it. It's really big. It's covered in some kind of dust, but I think it's the Palo Santo. Let me smell it. Yeah, or some kind of herb. Okay, it says Book of Shadows. Embrace your inner magic. It is lovely. It is very detailed. Wow, this is just absolutely phenomenal. I'm super impressed. I absolutely love this. Let's read the insert a bit. The Book of Shadows, or BOS, is used to store information you'll need in your magical tradition, whatever it may be. Generally, Book of Shadows should be handwritten, but as technology progresses, we use computers to print magical information as well. There's more than one way to make your BOS, because you should use what works best for you. Bear in mind that a BOS is considered a sacred tool, which means it is an item of power that should be consecrated with all of your other magical tools. I was blessed to have access to some of my ancestors' spellbooks because typically in the past, a witch's Book of Shadows was buried with her when she died or burned with her body. Hopefully, please for goddess' sake, your BOS will continue to be passed down from generation to generation so that we can keep empowering and nurturing our offspring's gifts as opposed to the suppression of magic that was done in the past. I curated this box with the intention of designing a custom Book of Shadows that is large enough to hold all of your artwork and grimoire sheets, along with some extra magical items that will hopefully enhance your magical workings this month. This leather giant measures 13.5 by 10 inches. Custom designed and it's made exclusively for this box. Has 196 pages of the highest quality handmade cotton paper. This paper looks beautiful even with watercolors, and it doesn't bleed through to the next page. The edges of the book are stitched to keep the edges from wearing. This book will hold up for generations to come and will carry your magical workings and wisdom on. Bless this book with your Palo Santo smoke and consecrate it before using. Palo Santo stick with bay leaf. Let me see. Use Palo Santo's uplifting properties to raise your vibration before meditation. Associated with the root chakra, self-preservation, courage, and grounding. She added a bay leaf from her bay leaf tree. Remove the twine before burning. Beeswax cleansing and blessing ritual candle. Here. White beeswax, powdered Palo Santo. It's perfect because it clears your space for the first half and then blesses your space with the second half. Stay with your candle when it burns. Tiger's Eye Worry Stone. Perfect for times when you need to focus and ground. It aids in harmony and balance, great for anxiety and releases fear and anxiety. And very protective stone. Buckthorn Bark. Ruled by Saturn and water. It's a herb used in protection spells of all kinds. It's also used as a good luck herb, especially in legal matters. Cinnamon apricot tea. Love, kindness, protection, and gives you a sunny outlook on things. Frankincense incense sticks. Releases powerful vibrations that uplift the area but drive out evil and negativity. Sacred salve. All-purpose skin salve made with wild harvested frankincense and myrrh resins. This healing salve is excellent for treating virtually any skin issue, including eczema, psoriasis, diaper rash, or other irritations. Dry, flaky, chapped skin, cuticle cream, bug bites, fungal issues. Awesome. Book of Shadows Blessing coloring page, which we saw over there. And then the Moon in the Zodiac calendar. I hope you were able to connect with the energy and items of this box. This was a fun one to curate, as I have always wanted a gigantic Book of Shadows, and I am excited to share it with you as well. Next one's box will be either Sacred Clearing or Earth Magic. I'm waiting on one more item for both boxes, so whichever comes in time will be the one I ship out. The other will be the theme for the March box. I planned these boxes several months in advance, and sometimes shipping still fails, but everything most certainly happens for a reason around here. Oh, love it. Absolutely love it. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I've never received such a thing, and I'm super excited about it. Every item in this box is very useful and appeals to me and just works really well with my flow. I'm super pleased about this, and usually I'm extremely picky about journals, but this is very, very lovely, and I'm super excited. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. I've been getting this box for quite some time, and I really love it. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.